Hey there guys, Michael here, about to do an unboxing and review of the LarmTek webcam. Got it here, just taking a quick look at the packaging. Not much to it, just a simple, nice brown box. Doesn't seem like it's the worst quality that I've seen as far as packaging coming from Amazon. So let's get this thing open, take a look at what we got inside. Sorry if you were able to hear that car drive by. Alright, so it actually comes out basically all just in one piece. What we've got in here is a small instruction packet. Let's get that open and see what's inside. Alright, so a little diagram of the camera, how to set it up on the computer, so that way it'll stay. Not too hard to understand there. Alright, they got a way how to access it on the computer. What else do we got in this package? We've got a card, free gift. I got a memory card and some other things. Not bad. 16 gigabytes, kind of on the small side nowadays, but still might be nice to have just to be laying around. This right here seems to be a privacy cap. So it comes with a little small adhesive, and you just peel the adhesive off, you stick it over the camera, and then this will allow you to have a slight bit of privacy if you're not using the camera. I personally do always, I just unplug it, and my computer also doesn't stay on all the time. So if I'm not using it, I just unplug the camera and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about the privacy issue things. Alright, let's get this thing open. Oh, very nice. Look at that. So it doesn't look terrible. I mean, I've definitely seen cheaper looking. The plastic is nice and sturdy feeling. The hinge is very sturdy feeling. Doesn't feel like it's going to break in my hand. Very nice. It's got a little screw thing, so that way you can mount it to a stand if you so chose. And I actually do have a couple extra small tripods that I could put that on. But for this video, we're actually going to stick it on the computer, and we'll have it sitting just like that. And it'll be pointing at me for the duration of the review. And after this, we're going to go ahead and just set it up, plug it in, and I'm going to give you a quick visual review and microphone review. So I hope this video has been very helpful and enjoyable for you. Thank you. And I'm going to switch over to the other right about now. Alright, so I don't actually record my face very often, and this is a once in a while thing, but this is a test video of the LarmTek webcam, and here's a look at it here. So that's the packaging. Bam. I think the video quality is not bad, actually. I had to change some settings in Power Director to get it to get a little better definition out of it, but all in all, tell me what you think. Alright, ciao.
Now you're listening to me with the camera's microphone. I don't know how well this is going to pick up, and this is just going to be a test to see if this microphone syncs better with Power Director than with my standalone microphone. This is probably going to be an opportunity for me to reason myself into being able to purchase a Zoom recorder, which is something that I hope to get here in the near future, as long as I can figure out how to sync my audio to my videos, and as long as I can find some kind of good image quality. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my voice is syncing up to the pictures. If it's not, I'm probably going to post it just like this. That way you can see that there are flaws, probably not coming from the camera, probably coming from my computer. But again, I am not a computer genius. I have just been doing some of this stuff for fun and learning along the way.
That microphone sounded terrible compared to this microphone, and I'm not saying by any means that this microphone is amazing. I'm just saying that if you are going to use the onboard microphone, it is going to pick up a lot of noise. I also turned off my front lighting. This camera seems to be compensating for the image quality quite well without any kind of lighting. So again, microphone's not horrible, it's just a little tinny, and yeah, it is what it is. But again, enjoy.
Thanks.